there everybody, and welcome back to the Blossom Crochet channel. In this video I'm just going to be showing you my little mini yarn haul that I got from the yarn shop, and these are all purchases that I've made specifically for making presents for Christmas. So these are all going to be made into beautiful scarves, and you'll also probably see them as tutorials on my channel over the next few weeks as well. So I went to Black Sheep Wools, which is my local yarn shop, and I've got 3 different yarns. So as I say, these are all going to be for scarves. And the first one I've got is this Stylecraft Knit Me Crochet Me yarn. And it's a grey blend with these lovely rainbow shades mixed through it. And there's a little knitted example on the back, if you can see that there. And I think that looks really nice. And so I'm going to try and accomplish something similar to that, but using obviously crochet stitches. So this is an acrylic and wool blend, and you get approximately 290 meters, so it is a 100-gram ball. And this is the actual shade called Rainbow. So it recommends a 4mm hook, but I can guarantee I will be using a bigger hook than that because I'm going to want a really nice drape to my scarf. So I'll probably be using a much bigger hook than what is the recommended size. But I really do like this colourway. I always like when there's really bright yarns mixed in with white or black or grey. In this case, I think it makes a really nice effect for your finished piece. So I've got 2 of them because I wanted to make something quite chunky and quite long to wrap around a couple of times. So I should be able to accomplish that with these. And these were $4.99 each. So it was, say £10 for the both. So to make a beautiful scarf, that's really good value, I think. So that is the first one. The second one I got is something a little bit different. So it's all these beautiful speckly colours all mixed in together, and it's like watercolour shades, and you can see the influence there on the band itself as well. It's a very, very soft yarn. It's really silky as well, which I didn't think it would be when I looked at it. I thought it might be a little bit scratchy, but when I picked it up I was very pleasantly surprised. It's really soft and quite silky. So this is the Stylecraft Impressions. Now this is an Aran weight yarn, so it's a little bit chunkier but not quite as chunky. And this is the shade End of Summer, which is perfect for some beautiful autumnal makes. And this one is 100% acrylic. Again, it's a 100-gram ball and you get approximately 220 meters. Again, I've got 2 of these because I want to make something really long. So whether it's a normal scarf or whether I make it into an infinity scarf, 2 will be more than enough to create something absolutely wonderful. I think these colours are going to lend themselves brilliantly to an infinity scarf. So I can't wait to see how this one works up. And these were £3.99 each. So again, less than £10 to create something that I think is going to be really, really impressive and eye-catching. I really do love these colours. They had lots of different colours with this as well. I was a little bit spoilt for choice, but I thought these were very me, if that makes sense. And then finally, again, these aren't new yarns, they're just ones that I've not used before. So this is the Jewelspun Aran yarn. You can now get this in a chunky yarn as well. I was eyeing those up in the shop today, but I've decided to try the original Aran weight one first and see what I think of that. And then if I really enjoy using it, I might use one of the new chunky shades because they really were very, very beautiful. So this is the shade Daybreak Delta. I was torn between this one and there was another one, I can't remember what it was called, something Garnet, and it was these beautiful orange and red, again, really autumnal shades, but you can just see some of the shades peeking through there. You've got a really nice mixture in this one. There was one in the chunky yarn, which I think was called Precious, which was quite bright, which was really, really lovely as well. So with this being an Aran weight yarn, the recommended hook size for this one is a 5mm, but again, I will probably use maybe even a 7 just to get a really nice drape, because I don't like my scarves to be too stiff because it's just not very comfortable to wear. So this again is a 100% acrylic, and this is a 200-gram ball this time, so I only got 1 of these. So this one I think is going to work up really nicely as well, but like I say, I've only got the 1 of this because this is 200 grams, which should be more than enough to make a very decent scarf on its own. And these are $9.99 on its own. So all of these things were less than £10 each for, you know, a whole project. So I think that's really good value to get an entire gift, and I'm really excited to start working these up. I've got a few patterns in mind for what I might use them for, and I really hope that you like the look of these ones. If you've been on a little yarn shopping trip lately, let me know what you bought for yourself or for gifts in the comments. But that is it for this one, and I will see you for some beautiful tutorials using these lovely yarns very, very soon. But thank you as always for watching, and bye for now.